The Monitor application inside Azure Services can give us an idea of what's happening with each of our different resources. So I'm going to type in Monitor and select it from the list. And take a look at the left-hand side. Here are all my different types of resources that I can monitor, such as applications, virtual machines, storage, etc. I'm going to click on the storage accounts and see how my storage accounts are doing. So I click on that. I see an overview of what's happening with my various different storage accounts. We can see the transaction timeline, transactions, any latency. I'm going to click on the Ascend subscription. And it shows me that availability-wise, it's been available 100% of the time. So that is a good sign. I haven't had any outages or anything like that. It shows me all the different transactions. This would be files that are opened, uploaded, downloaded, that kind of thing. Then we can see the latency, 27 milliseconds is very good time. So if you see this in the hundreds or the thousands, then you know you might have some issues or there might be some issues at Azure. You can also drill down to specific containers, file shares, things like that. And we can also go besides our own resources to the general health of Azure itself. So I'll click on Service Health and it'll show me a map of the world and it shows me whether there's any types of issues with Azure in any one of these locations where there currently are. If there are any affected locations, you'll see them show up in orange, which right now, fortunately, that's not happening. You're going to find that not all resources are going to be ready for seeing any types of information right away. So for instance, I enabled the virtual machines a little while ago, but you're going to not see any data here for several hours. If I click on networks, we can see some network information, but not as good as the network security groups where you can actually see up to the minute information there. However, once properly set up, it can actually give you very good information. Monitors can look at the status and activity of your resources at any given time once you activate them properly.